Hi, I'm Stefan and you are watching Bolin 3D Budget Hints, Tips and Cheats to 3D Printing. This video is about resin 3D printing and using turntables to cure prints with. Being new to the resin printing world, I did hours of research to obtain the best budget turntable for curing my prints with. Best value for money was the solar panel turntable. After seeing mixed reviews on both the product sales pages and on YouTube, I decided to give one a try. After trying it with a few prints, I was actually impressed. I did, however, notice that once I started to print bigger projects like units of tabletop minis, the turntable became a bit small, so I needed another solution. I could just buy another one, 2 or 3 even, to keep up with my print to cure demand. I decided to try and expand the turntable. Again, after hours of searching, I tried variety of items. I tried different types of party plates. Cheap and disposable, right? A major drawback was the plate itself is not clear, meaning only the exposed side would cure. So, I went back to the drawing board. After having a good search around the house, I come across a nearly empty 5 liters plastic popcorn tub from Iceland. The frozen food place, not the country. I noticed the lid was clear and the ideal size for a curing plate. So off came the lid, and onto the turntable it went. A few scattered prints later, I noticed if the weight was greatly unbalanced, the lid would slip off. So I needed to solve this issue, ideally without using glue. I reached for the trusty notepad and got drawing. In the end, I came up with a simple design that clipped straight on to the original plate and provided enough support to stop the lid from tipping and slipping. And to solve any further slipping or shifting issues, I added some slots to hold up to 5 by 3 millimeter round magnets. Join me on my journey. Watch the next video where I will test the solar turntable, pushing its limits with this Bolin 3D budget solution, and you can see for yourselves if it's worth it or not. See you in the next video. Like and/or subscribe to join the journey. Thanks for watching.